I happened to catch Miss Charlotte learning about this chair. It was funny to watch. Goats are just interesting, curious, really funny creatures. She figured out how to use the back of it. And she eventually figured out that she could stand inside of it. But it took her a few times. All the other goats are trying to figure out how she's doing what she's doing. Whoops. And she figured out that if she climbs up into the chair, into the seat of the chair with all 4 feet, then she won't flip it. Such a smarty pants. This week, we learned that goats love trees, anything to do with trees, their leaves, their branches, their bark. They just love trees. You're going to want to leave your cute little Adirondack chair out with the goats so you can sit with them, but it's made out of wood. You're also going to think to yourself, I can have my goats in with my trees. And then you're going to think to yourself, I can wrap them with a tarp and they'll be fine. And that's not true.
Done with your bad haircut. I want to keep this as sterile as I can, because if it's something other than an abscess, which that would be wonderful, I don't want to introduce infection.
Okay. Good job, buddy.
I don't think that's caseous lymphadenitis.
Oh, wow, look at that. That's good news. Very good news.
I don't think it is.
It doesn't look like that.
No, I don't know what it is. I think I do want to culture it anyway.
Okay.
And a culture's probably $80 to $100.
All right.
Looks like a
Abscess of some sort.
the abscess from a sticker.
Not too bad because they're
You
wet.
know, they're shaped just like yours, Julia, but they look a little beefier.
These are the best brand, I think. This is the first pair I've had of these, and I really like them.
What are they?
They're
We'll look at them when you're done if you don't know.
ARS.
Look at them.
And I got them from Premier.
Right.
Premier One Supply.
Okay. Oh, okay. That's where we got our electric fence from.
Right.
We've heard about the Dorper kick. Some sort of special.
Hey. Well, it just kind of takes the side-to-side motion away from them.
Okay.
Back feet aren't as bad. Generally, it's the other way around.
Do they feel soft?
They do.
Okay.
This rain
Because
probably
of the rain.
helped.
Yeah. Right.
Just like a horse's hoofs.
Right.
Hey. And white hoofs are generally softer than black.
Oh, I didn't know that.
I think the white grows faster generally too, but
Okay. That was Marbles. She's 4 months old. She's in heat. Yes, you are. And she is calling for the little boys. They're over in that direction. She's calling. I'm sorry. You can't have babies until next year. Well, really the year after. You can't be bred until next year. You're just a baby, hun. She doesn't feel like I'm a baby. Poor little marbles. I came out here thinking, what in the world? Is somebody stuck? What's going on? Hi. Hi, Sparkles. Your little sister's having a fit, isn't she? Hi. Hi, sweet girls. Hi. I know. Hi, Piper. Hi, Poppy. Hi, handsome boy. You're being a Fruit Loop. Poor... Hi, Twister. Brad decided he was going to make crab stuffed zucchini. Cut the zucchini lengthwise, scoop out all of the seeds and the center part of the flesh, leaving about 1/2 inch. Drizzle some olive oil, and using a silicone brush, just brush it around. Then add salt and pepper, and bake them face down on a baking sheet. Cut up some shallots and shred some cheese. We used Manchego sheep cheese. And then Brad found how to make gluten-free panko using rice checks. So that was awesome. Get some olive oil in there and then put those centers of the zucchini back in to saute, chop them up a little bit. Add your shallots and some garlic. And then, of course, the crab. After that, he added the panko in and the cheese and stirred all that around. Let that get a little melty. And then you just fill up the little zucchini boats. Put some cheese on top, a little panko on top, and ta-da! It was yummy. I was surprised. I'd never had anything like that. It was pretty tasty. If you try it, let me know how you like it. I couldn't find the mama guinea and her babies. She's got 9 little babies. I didn't know where she went. So I started snooping around, and on the back part of our property we've got some farm equipment and things that we use. And and then I heard that little warning sound that they give, I guess, to their babies. I heard some high-pitched cheeps and then a little warning sound they give to their babies. The sound that says, shh, be quiet. She is under there.
Come here, I want to take your neck because you rolled something nasty. Go back into the camera. Come on. There you go.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, that's good.
you see that white that's out there? That's hail. The weather sometimes. Jeez. Need the rain. Hail can go away. Well, this is the second week we've had that beautiful rainbow. Isn't that cool? Over the whole east side of the ranch. I wanted to tell everybody about a free art class that's coming out on Friday, August 14th. That is next Friday, and it's of this little goat. Her name is Lita. It's going to be easy and fun and free. Yay! You are given a line drawing, so you don't have to learn to draw or anything like that. This is a watercolor class. It's super easy, super fun. You don't have to have certain watercolors. As long as you have water-based paint of any kind, you can join. This is a paint at your own pace. So it's on YouTube, on my YouTube channel, which is where you're seeing this right now, so the Mother Ranch. And it's not live, so you can do it whenever you have time. Yeah, so I hope that you will give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments of the class. All right, I'll be doing these monthly for the rest of the year.